Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. Today I am running short on time, so we're just going to jump right in. I am prioritizing the things on this list for a super fast power hour. I need to wash the boys' bedding, take out the trash, fold and put away the boys' laundry, clean my bathroom, and clean the kitchen.
1 hour, starting now.
Comment below, do you think I'm going to get it all done in 1 hour? As I complete tasks, I will be displaying my checklist on the screen so you guys know exactly where I am in my power hour.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
I feel like when I start hearing this song on YouTube again, it's like definitely Christmas time. It puts me in such a holiday mood.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
guys know that I moved in August, and there are certain areas in my apartment that I just have not gotten to with the school year starting virtually and everything. So I do plan on doing a complete overhaul of all of the things that I have in my bathroom, in my closet, and other areas of my apartment just to get it the way I want it.
Gonna let it show. Gonna let it show. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents,
I'm running out of time.
stay with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this.
And here is my little helper. He's wearing Xavier's old birthday shirt.
This winter wonderland, chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter
The soap dispenser that is in the kitchen is actually supposed to be in here, but I figured nobody sees this bathroom, so I'll put it in the kitchen where it can be properly displayed.
See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Alexa, stop. So I ended up running out of time with a couple of things left on my list. I still need to fold and put away the boys' laundry and take out the trash. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.